CO Lewis structure. Carbon has 4 valence electron and oxygen has 6 valence electron. Totally we have 10 valence electron. Carbon is an element of group 4s, so it has 4 valence electron. Oxygen is an element of group 6s, so it has 6 valence electron. This 10 valence electron has two tasks at the same time. First, they will connect these two atoms, then they will satisfy the octet for both atoms. So let us connect both atoms by two dots or single bond. Two dots mean one single bond, right? Now we need to identify the central atom. Here central atom is carbon because its electronegativity is less than oxygen. So now after connecting these two atoms, we have 8 valence electron left, right? So this 8 valence electron will be used to satisfy the octet of outer atom first. So this oxygen has 2 valence electrons, so it can maximum take 6 here. So if we deduct 6, then 2 valence electron left. So this 2 valence will come over carbon, right? So let us put here. Now this oxygen has 2, 4, 6, 8 valence electron and this carbon has 2, 4, right? Okay. So we need to satisfy the octet for this central atom, but we don't have any extra valence electron. So we will move this lone pair as bond pair, right? So let us move here. So this carbon has 2, 4, 6, right? Look, so we have moved this pair. This carbon has 2, 4, 6. So let us move another lone pair as bond pair, right? So move. Now this carbon has 8 valence electron, this oxygen had 8 valence electron. That is, octet for oxygen is completed and octet for carbon is completed. So this is the Lewis dot structure. Actually you can express this structure like this. Okay, let me delete first. Like this, right? Or like this. So this is carbon monoxide Lewis structure. So thank you for viewing this video. Be well.